What if Python isn't the official ChatGPT wrapper? That would make it substantially easier if the direct Python API repository had ChatGPT routers somewhere in it. There's this unofficial wrapper. So, oh, somebody reverse engineered it. What I'm hoping for is to get an API client. I might... Here we go. This'll work. So there's lots of different wrappers you can install for it, maintained by... I mean, this isn't officially by Python, but it's hosted in their repository, which makes it substantially easier to download, rather than trying to download it from GitHub, where you have to worry about I mean, maybe you have to worry about some interpretation issues when it comes to using it for downloading from the Python source, but I have a feeling this place to download PyPy. I have a feeling the Python package index is a lot more reliable of a source by which to obtain Python libraries than GitHub. So let's test that theory. Is this actually more reliable? Not recognized. Maybe this. Oh, it's not added to the path? Well, let's see if it works. Nope. We have to add this to our path somehow. I guess I'll just look up